Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 11th, 2020. Excuse me. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off today. Bit of a mixed close. The Dow actually finished slightly lower. We're talking about 0.48, so less than a half a point. So basically flat, but did put in a new high earlier in the day and then reverse course to finish lower. All the indices closed well off their highs, but the S&P gaining another 5 points, while the NASDAQ was higher by 10, and the Russell also gaining almost 10 points today. The bond market did trade lower, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 1.596%. Crude had a rare update today, even though it did finish off its highs, but it did gain 37 cents today, while gold dropping $9.40 at the official close, despite some weakness in the U.S. dollar. Now, after market close, Lyft reported quarterly earnings, and they beat their estimates for both earnings per share and revenue. Unfortunately, they are forecasting slower growth in 2020 and have lowered forward guidance. And right now, in the after-hours trading session, the stock is lower by $2.89, or a little over 5%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.